Hi everybody. Hello my friends. I'm here with a review. I purchased a product about a month ago. Woolite 12-pack washing machine lint and hair remover balls for lint-free laundry. Smart, modern, efficient. So this is what it looks like. I got it from the Value Zone and it was $4.99. And I didn't show this in the haul, and I said I was going to review this. So the reason why I picked this up is because I wash a lot of my items and hang them up. And with a lot of my black clothes, my dark clothes, you can see lint. And sometimes I just put it in the dryer, to remove the excess lint. Sometimes there's still some lint left on the clothes. So I got 3 pieces of clothing here, and I'm going to show you the lint. These items are going to be washed with a lot of other black and dark items, so I'm not going to show those, but I will show you how these items, whether this product removed that lint or it just didn't work, and I will let you know. So let me get ready and show you these items that have the lint on it. So there's a top that has the lint on it. Here's a jacket. It's almost like a hoodie. And then here's a pair of pants, black pants. You can see the lint. So I'm going to take you in the laundry room and I'm going to wash these clothes and put the lint balls in there. And then afterwards, I'll show you how these things turned out. Hello everybody. As you can see, these balls did not work at all. You see all this lint? It did not work at all. Here are the balls. You don't really see any hair or anything on it. So I have to say this is a fail. It did not work at all. Now I gotta put these in the dryer. Okay, so this is the end of my review for this product. It doesn't work. I may try it again, but actually it looks like it's even more lint on the clothes.